Making payments with Zip Money in store is a convenient process, and today, I'll walk you through the steps required to successfully use Zip Pay Money for your purchases. To begin, ensure you have the Zip app installed on your device. Open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop and Store option located in the menu at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this option to proceed. Upon selecting Shop and Store, you'll be prompted to enter a 6-digit verification code. This code is generated each time you initiate a Shop and Store transaction. Enter the code provided to you to proceed. After verifying the code, a barcode will appear on your screen. This barcode serves as a representation of your payment details and can be scanned by the cashier at the store. Present the barcode to the cashier, who will scan it to process your payment or charge your purchases to your Zip Money account. Once the cashier has processed your transaction, await confirmation for the completed transaction. You may receive a notification indicating the amount charged to your Zip Money account. That's it. You've successfully made an in-store payment using Zip Money. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in simplifying your payment experience.